Hon. Welcome back to my channel. This is Stephsgotit, and today we are here for another unboxing, and this is an unboxing that I am super duper excited about. I mean, I'm excited about all unboxings, but especially this one. This is a special custom order. I contacted the seller and asked if he could do a specific thing that I wanted, a specific pattern that I wanted, and he said, if you find it for me, yeah, I'll do it. Well, a few seconds later, he contacted me back and said, never mind, I found it. I ordered it, and I can't wait to try it out. So he did, and he made it for me, and then he sent it to me, and I'm like super excited because I love what I asked him to do. So let's see what the pen looks like. I've only seen pictures of it, of course, because here it is. So I'm going to get you set up on the cutting table, and then we'll get started with it, right? Awesome. Hold that thought. All right. So thank you for taking the opportunity to come to the channel today. I appreciate you stopping in to chat with me, or to check out the unboxing, rather. I'm thinking about it with the chat. Let's see. And I love his bags. They always say thank you in various languages. Dankeschön, gracias. Alright. So he wraps it in there. It's just a regular little trash bag texture bag. And then inside there, he always puts them in a bubble wrapper. Alright, so let's get this open. I'm so excited. It is the weekend. I hope everyone has some good plans for the weekend. Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. He always sends his pens, oh, now you know that it's a pen, in little Velcro bags. I think that's super awesome. You get a nice little keepsake to keep them in if you don't put them in a tray or something. Alright, are we ready? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Ta-da! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Oh, that is... I have to take off my glasses. Oh, that is so awesome and shiny! Oh, look at there! Oh, wow! You know I'm not a pink girl, but there is a certain pink characteristic that I am fond of, and that is flamingos. I love flamingos. So, this is my pen from Jim's Handmade Pens. I'm going to bring you a little closer, okay? But this is my flamingo pen that I custom ordered from Jim's Diamond Painting Pens. It is beautiful. Take my glasses off because I can't see close up. And there it is. Look at that flamingo right there. So, you know that he makes these clear pens, first of all. You know that my first pen from him was one of the water art pens. And this is my second pen from him. And believe I will be getting more, because just like your mood changes with everything else, it changes with pens. Isn't that beautiful? All right, I'm going to put that down here. When you receive your pen from Jim, you also will receive a sheet that has your order on it and the details. And he tapes a little baggie that has a couple of multi-placers in them. And then a little thank you note on the bottom. Thank you. This one was fun to make. Thank you, Jim. It was fun to receive as well. So let's open this up and see what kind of multi-placers we have. And let's just dump those right there. Yay! He sent one of the new plastic tips. So I'm excited about that because I don't have one. I watched Grace Maltee's video about the plastic tips, and so I was very interested to try one. And now I get to do so. Thank you, Jim. There's little extras in there that make all the difference. So that's what it looks like. Got you zoomed in so you can see it. There you go. Whoop. And along with that, you get a couple of multi-placers and straighteners. So let's see, we have a 10 multi-placer, and we have 3 straighteners, actually, that are you can also use for multi placers as well. I like to use them for straighteners, but I understand you can put the tape on the edge of them, that double tape, and use these for, they were meant to be used for multi placers too. Sorry for my ashy hands. Look at that. Oh, so that's a 10, that's a 3, and I'm going to guess that's about a 5 or 6 ish. Okay, so in addition to your pen, you also get some multi-placers and the new plastic tip single placer. And if you notice, on the pen itself is the single placer and a 3 placer. Now the thing about his pens is he makes it so you can pull the 3 placer out and replace it with any other one of the multi-placers that you would like to. Okay? Or if you want to put a metal tip and a plastic tip single placer on one end, there you go. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely stunning. Okay. And if you, once you pull the placer out, and if it doesn't seem to fit, like this fits tightly. Let's see if one will fit loosely. No, well, of course not, because I'm on video, so they're all going to fit perfectly. But if you do have one that fits kind of loosely, Jim advises that you just, like he did for this, the 3 placer. If it fits a little loosely, just take a bit of tape, like he did there, and wrap it around it and fold it and stick it in there, and it will be as tight as it needs to be to fit in there. No problemo. See that? So again, just grab a piece of tape and wrap it around there, and it will fit perfectly. Now I haven't had to do the tape thing on my other one, and I don't know if I'll have to do it on. Look at that. Let's give you a close-up view of that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's do a slow turn so you can see. Oh, somebody lost a leg right there. Right there. There's the sweet spot. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Absolutely awesome, Jim. Thank you so much. Again, this is his glitter pen, and he did not have flamingos. I wanted a flamingo. I thought it would look awesome. He had a breast cancer awareness, and in my crazy mind, I immediately thought, oh, flamingos! And it was a breast cancer awareness. So now I was heartbroken because I couldn't get a flamingo. So I contacted him and asked him if he had any plans in the future to do flamingos. And he said that he didn't have the glitter for that, but if I could find it, that he would be happy to try it. Well, a few moments later, he contacted me, and he had indeed found a supplier for the flamingos, and he had ordered it and was looking forward to making it for me. And when he received it, he was excited as I was, I think, and he received it and made the blank and sent me pictures, and I immediately paid for it and had him ship it to me. So if you would like a flamingo, I do believe he has some, I know that he has some flamingo glitter left, and he has some blanks. And so if you would like to have a flamingo pen, then contact Jim's Handmade Pens. His Etsy shop is jimshandmadepensshop.etsy.com. Now, what you really want to know is how much did the pen cost me, correct? Well, the pen didn't cost me any more than it normally costs for his pens, $26. The pen was $25, and all in all, with shipping and sales tax, it was $29.92. Again, the pen was $25. It was a, you won't see it on his page, I don't think, but you can send him an email through Etsy and have a special request. If you'll see on here, it wasn't, you'll see it wasn't on the shop. He had to create a special order for it. Sorry for my raggedy nails, but I'm in I'm in the process between my false nails and my real nails here. You see the order details is October 28th because I had to wait for him to receive it from the seller, and we did not want to place the order and risk running into the shipping policy for his Etsy. So he received the product, and then he made the pen and sent me pictures, and then he made the special order tab for me, and then I was able to order the pen. It got here Wednesday. Yeah, because Wednesday I did the double unboxing where I was toying around with doing this or that, and I have decided to go ahead and do the videos that I did put up on Wednesday. If you didn't see those, go check them out. They'll be in the iCard over there. And I love the pen. You saw how it shipped. It was packaged beautifully. It arrived beautifully. Everything is intact. And it arrived within a perfect time. And it is made beautifully. You got a chance to get a close-up view of it. There is a view of it from a distance. It's a beautifully made pen. Look at that. You can see straight through it. And the flamingos are beautiful. And you get all those extra tips so that you can do your painting even faster with multi-placers. So again, Huns, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, let me please ask you to become a subscriber of the channel. And when you do, click that little notification bell so that you will be notified anytime that I decide to upload a video, which I am on a pretty good run right now for doing every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is new. I'm slowly getting to the Fridays. So, of course, through the week, I might throw other little snacks in there. For that, I like to say again, thank you so much for joining the channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Give Jim's Handmade Pens a view and check out his site and give him a thumbs up as well. And if you don't like this video, you're always free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo, right? And remember, hun, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. Love and shimmies.